If you want to create a domain in your GoDaddy account, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. By the end, you'll know how to search for a domain, check if it's available, add it to your cart, and complete the checkout process without confusion. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and website tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to GoDaddy. Once the homepage loads, sign into your GoDaddy account using the email and password linked to your profile. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one first, so you can continue with the domain purchase process. After signing in, you'll land on your GoDaddy dashboard, where you can manage domains, websites, and other services. Now look for the search bar on the GoDaddy homepage or dashboard. This is where you'll type the domain name you want to buy. Try to enter the exact name you have in mind, or at least a close variation if you're not completely sure yet. Once you've typed your domain name, click Search Domain. GoDaddy will now check whether that name is available for registration. If the domain is available, you'll see it listed as ready to buy. At this point, click Add to Cart. This adds the domain to your shopping cart so you can review the order before paying. If the domain is already taken, don't worry. GoDaddy will usually show you a list of alternative suggestions, including similar names, other extensions, and different versions of your search term. Take a moment to review those suggestions and choose one that best fits your brand or project. After selecting your domain, go to your cart. This is where you'll review everything before checkout. You'll usually see options for the registration period, and you can choose anywhere from 1 year up to 10 years, depending on how long you want to secure the domain. If you're planning to keep the domain long-term, a longer registration period can be a good option. You may also see privacy protection as an add-on. This is optional, but it can help hide your personal contact information from public domain records, which is useful for privacy and security. Once you've checked your domain, selected the registration period, and decided on any extras, click Ready for Checkout. This takes you to the final payment stage. Here, enter your payment details carefully and make sure all your billing information is correct. Double check the domain name, the registration length, and any services you added so you know exactly what you're purchasing. When everything looks right, complete the purchase. After the payment goes through, your domain will be registered in your GoDaddy account. You can then manage it from your dashboard, connect it to a website, forward it to another page, or update the DNS settings later if needed. That's why this process is so useful, because once your domain is created, you can start building your online presence right away. And that's how to create a domain in your GoDaddy account from start to finish. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.